In this video, I'll guide you through how to duplicate clips in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you have to drag and drop your clip on CapCut timeline. Then select the clip which you want to create to duplicate. Now right click on it and copy the part. Now select the position where you want to paste the duplicate clip and right click on it. Now click on paste. But if you want to duplicate a specific part of your clip, then firstly you need to choose the specific part and click on shift icon. Now you select the part and right click on it and click on copy. Now choose the position where you want to paste this duplicate clip and right click on it and click on paste. If you want to duplicate this whole clip, then select all of this clip first and right click on it and click on copy. Now choose the position where you want to paste this duplicate clip and right click on it and click on paste. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily create duplicate clips in CapCut PC.